You gonna take that out?
Now I'm glad I went up into the attic. I went up there kind of for a fact-finding mission to see how this was connected, see which way the ceiling joist went here for my light fixtures, my can lights that I'm going to be installing, and see how I'm going to remove this. And you know, there was an existing wire that came out of this that came out across over here to the wall, and it went down the wall, maybe over to where that plug is, or even where that light switch is, over there in the corner, right over there. Hey, Eddie. And so I want to make sure, a couple things. I want to make sure that the power is dead up in here before I start messing around with the wire. So I got a wire tester. I got to test that out. And as I was crawling around in the attic, I also noticed there's a plumbing pipe, flexible pipe. It's copper, but it's the type that you can roll out and then you place it along there. Well, somebody fished that down there years ago over to this dishwasher here. Apparently this dishwasher maybe did not have water to it.
It's
What?
It's for we put it in a long time ago.
You put it in a long time ago, like for was your refrigerator over there once upon a time?
No.
Well, in any case,
Water softener.
Okay, a water softener. Well, they have a copper pipe up there, and it's just laying along the ceiling, right along here. So that's another reason why I did not start cutting the sheetrock out. You get up there with the Sawzall and start cutting out and thinking, oh yeah, I know what to do. And you could cut that copper line, and there's also the electrical cable coming out of here, and it's just nailed right next to the ceiling joist there. And I could go through that, and if that was live, or if any other wires were going along there, you'd cut into those. I like to check things out a little bit first. I encourage you to do the same thing whenever you get ready to start doing some demo.